What's up, guys? Welcome to another episode of Cooking with JT in the kitchen. We're gonna make some breakfast today. To me, a big breakfast is as follows. Let me show you my ingredients, right? So, what we got here is 3 strips of bacon. We've got 3 eggs. We've got 1 potato, which is already peeled and washed. We've got some butter for our pan so that we can make our pancakes with, and some milk, and some cheese to sprinkle all over that egg, and some ketchup. Alright, so let's get started. To get it on, I wanna do it all night long. Mrs. Officer, get up all in ya. There we have it. Hey, okay, with the pancakes. Yay, 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 yay. So here we have it, finished product. 2 strips of bacon, eggs, with sprinkled cheese on there. I didn't actually get a shot of me doing that on this video, but best believe I did that. It's bomb. 2 pancakes. We have a full stack left just in case I'm hungry later on. Of course, the coffee. Gotta have the coffee. You know what? On the egg, also make sure you do this. Voila! And that is going to conclude this episode of JT in the Kitchen. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for the next one. Deuces.